Alright. We are going to rip Sydney's tooth out of her face. She's got the dental floss going over to the doorknob.
And we're going to slam the door.
I'm going to slam the door. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
We're hoping the dental floss holds to her tooth.
1,
Alright.
2, 3.
Oh, jeez. I got hit with the tooth. Yeah, the tooth hit me in my leg.
It's not here.
It's over there.
Hey.
Hey, Sid, let's see. Can't really see in there. It's a little too dark. Hey, see the tooth, Mama?
Whoa!
Did we get the right tooth?
That's a lot of blood.
What do you think, Sid?
Here, sit here.
There's a lot of blood up there. Up
Check
here.
out all the roots. Turn your head this way.
Oh, it won't matter. They'll push out.
Jinx him,
All right, Sid.
Jinx him out. Yeah.